Do you want to style your hair like a pro? From this to this? Then I got you covered. Because today I'm gonna set my hair like a pro live in front of you today, step by step. So don't skip at any part, else you can't learn it properly. And let me tell you guys that my name is Raj Karmakar from Fashion and Fitness Boss. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I post this type of content on men's fashion, fitness, grooming, lifestyle, hair and beard related tips every 2 days. So now let's get going with today's video. So step number 1. Shampoo your hair. So use a shampoo which is suitable to your hair, and it's very important to have a good hairstyle. What the shampoo does is that it cleans all the dirt and dust particles from your hair, making it fresh for the hair products. It also helps your hair to stay healthy if you shampoo your hair before applying any sort of hair products. Alright, moving on to step number 2. Apply a hair serum or a pre-styler after shampooing your hair. Now a lot of guys skip this step, but they don't know how bad it is going to be for their hair. Now hair serum is very important because it acts as a heat protector. Before blow drying, you should always use a hair serum to protect your hair and its roots from internal damage. Okay, step number 3. The main part to style your hair properly. Blow dry your hair. Now styling your hair, and that too like a pro, you cannot do without a blow dryer. After the application of hair serum, blow dry your hair randomly just to dry that hair serum. So now let me tell you guys the main steps to style your hair with a blow dryer so that you get more hair volume. So at first, after your hair gets dry, blow dry your hair to the opposite side of the side where you need more volume. If you want volume on the right side, blow dry towards the left side and vice versa. It will provide as a base which will help you to lock your hair with the same volume all day long. Next, you gotta apply some hair wax or hair clay. First rub it on your palm until and unless it disappears, and then apply gently to your hair. Mind it that always apply the hair wax or the hair clay on the end of the hair, not on the roots. After completing this, you again have to blow dry in the direction where you want more volume. Mind it that in the first 3 previous blow drying steps, you should use the medium heat and some inches away from your hair. Mind it that when you always use a hairspray, use it 10 to 12 inches from your hair, and also try to protect your eyes. Guys, each and every recommended hair products links will be given below in the description box. You can check it out after watching this video. And let me tell you guys, there is a huge giveaway running on my channel. So if you want to participate in that giveaway, please click here, or you may also click the link given in the description box after watching this video full. Now lastly, use the cold air in the direction of your desired volume just to lock your hair in that place all day long. And guys, there is also a 4th step and a bonus step from my side. And before moving on to that step, I would like to ask you that if you like this video or not, or found it really helpful to you or not. And if you really like my video, then please give a like down below and also comment down that you like my video so that I get motivated and I really know that you love my content. And for more such content, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to see more hair and beard related videos, then click the hair and beard playlist here, or link will be given below in the description box. Also guys, please suggest me whether I should make a video on how to style your hair like a pro without using any of the hair products. So if you want a video on this topic, please let me know in the comment box. And finally, the 4th and the bonus and the last step is that set your hair and comb the front part of the hair with a wide bristle comb. Now it provides a professional finish to your hairstyle and gives you that salon type illusion that you can do now onwards. Guys, if you really found this video helpful to you and learned a lot about how to style your hair like a pro, then please give a like down below and also comment down that you liked my video so that it motivates me a lot and I could post this kind of content more. And also please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I post every 2 days, and whenever I post the contents, you get the notification at first. Also guys, don't forget to participate in the giveaway contest. That's it for me today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay stylish.